Let's talk about something. You talked about knowing your worth. You talk about loving yourself. But knowing your worth isn't just soft words and affirmations. It's boundaries. It is quiet courage to say, this isn't for me. It is the strength that it takes you to walk away from anything that isn't good for you. And it is the decision to stop shrinking because it makes some other people feel better. Because when you truly know your own worth, you stop asking for be chosen. You stop explaining your no. You stop apologizing for needing space, protection, and respect. You don't have to fight to prove yourself. And you don't have to stay where your soul doesn't feel safe. Loving yourself means honoring your energy even when it disappoints people. You don't owe anyone access to you just because they want to. But you owe it to yourself to feel safe, seen, and respected. Always. Setting boundaries doesn't make you cold. It makes you clear. And clarity is love, real, grounded, spiritual love. Not just for others, but for you. So next time your body tightens around someone else's word, next time your spirit whispers, this isn't right, listen to it. Speak up and draw the line. Because boundaries aren't walls, they are doors. They show others how to talk to you. And they show you that love isn't just a feeling, it's a practice. You already know your worth. Now go practice it. Hope to see you all in my next video.